Nothing tastes better than freshly made creme anglaise, which essentially is a custard without the corn flour or any thickening agent. So to start with, I need 4 egg yolks. I'm using these Sunny Queen free range eggs, and we're going to break them and separate them. So egg whites in one and the yolks in the other. And I always like to break my eggs in my hands because it's so much easier to handle, and it ensures that we don't get any of the white in with our yolk. Now don't throw away any of these lovely egg whites. They freeze really well for meringue another day. So back to our custard. In our bowl of egg yolks, I'll add some castor sugar. That's 1/3 of a cup of castor sugar. And I need to whisk this until it's pale and all of that sugar has dissolved into the yolks. So it just takes a few moments and a hint of elbow grease. Great. Now I've been heating up some milk, so it's come to boiling point and I've turned it off. I've also flavoured it with some vanilla bean, very classic for creme anglaise. Now we're just going to pour this straight over our egg yolks. So to ensure that these egg yolks don't scramble, you want to consistently whisk this and then slowly add the milk, particularly at the beginning. And then once it starts to really form into a nice thin consistency, pour it all in. Fabulous. Now it's too thin at this stage, so we do need to thicken it up, and it's going to naturally thicken up because of those egg yolks. So I'll pour this mixture back into the pot, getting all of that vanilla, and I'll place this on a medium heat. Again, you don't want it to be too high because it will scramble. And we want to continually stir this with our wooden spoon until it thickens. You'll know that it's ready when the custard coats the back of the spoon completely and you can draw a line through it. At this stage, it's not ready, so it needs a little longer. Okay, this creme anglaise is ready. It's coating the back of the spoon. I can draw a line through it perfectly. And now I'm just going to pour it straight into a jug. Ooh, yum, look at that. You can chill this and it's fantastic with a hot dessert. Or if you have a really cold dessert, it's equally as delicious warm. Look at that. Yummy creme anglaise. That is what it's all about.